Our nation, Sindhi nation, is the mother of all the civilization. You guys see the Mohenjo-daro. It is considered the one of the oldest civilization of the world. Um Science, cultivation, and all other uh, trends are started from the Mohenjo-daro. But at that time, we are free peoples. After the partition of subcontinent India and Pakistan, we people are thinking that we are not free, or we are a kind of slave from the Pakistani nation. We have not the right, until we have not the right of talking in our own language. We have not any kind of right of any sources which is coming from our earth. Even the water, we have no any kind of. So the people of Sindhis are struggling from the 1947 for their right, human rights, right for their struggles, right for their. But this state is not giving us any kind of right. So because of that reason, the people of Sindh are more political aware than other provinces. The political struggle of Sindhi people is mostly on the questions of nationalism and the question of economical, and this struggle is until continue, and Pakistan government is treating us like a slave, and we people are until fighting for our right, and we don't know when this war or this scenario is going to be end, but fighting is continue, as Mr. Bisharat sing a song a few minutes ago, that our struggle is continue, no matter we are winning or we are losing, but we will continue our struggle. So that's from my side.